Here at MMT, we're a family, and all we want for you is to be pain-free.
And that's what we want for you. So, hi guys, it's been a while since I've spoken to you. So, I'm here with Ninja again, good friend here. And just want to talk to you about one thing. I just finished treating a client who has got a golfer's elbow, which is on the inside of your arm here. And he did that as a result of doing some lat pull downs at a gym, and it was pushed a lot harder than what he should have, and ended up being in a lot of pain. It's been going on for a number of months now. So he came in and he said that he had some acupuncture done on it. He'd seen a physio about his arm. He'd seen a myotherapist also, but the pain's still there. So what we did was, as what we do here at MMT, is we go to the source of pain and we just pin that area down to try to alleviate that. So what I did was I started with this client of mine and found where he was in pain, right at that attachment point, and I just pressed and held it and did that for a while. And once that's kind of began to relax, I ended up, gave him just light weights just to do like a bicep curl, and that highlighted again where the pain levels were, and I ended up going to those areas and treating them. But the good news was that within a space of literally 15 to 20 minutes, there definitely was a change, and his pain level had dropped, and he was able to do a bicep curl without feeling the pain in his elbow. And he seemed really, what I liked about it was that he actually was excited about the fact that he could go back to the gym and continue to work, because he felt like he was doing a lot of isolated work and wasn't really doing what he wanted to do. So to have that sort of effect on someone is so encouraging. So if you are, if you're suffering tennis elbow or golfer's elbow and you need treatment, you know, make a booking at MMT. I think you'll be surprised by the treatment that you receive and the movement that you'll be able to, or range of motion that you'll be able to increase. Okay. So what I did with that client of mine is, once I finished doing that, I just got him some weights, and I just asked him just to do some bicep curls, and in doing slowly, just do by that's it. And so he ended up feeling some pain just around that area, just not as much. So what I did was I just pressed on that and I just asked him to mimic that bicep curl with his hand. Just go up and down. Just keep on just going up and down.
Wow.
Okay, just keep on going.
Wow.
Keep going.
Ah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're nailing it.
Yeah. So just melting away that tissue, that tightness, just so that he can be able to freely move and do the things that he loves doing.
Flossing it.
Okay. How does that feel?
Yeah, good.
All right?
Man. Yeah, intensity's really gone down now.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's where everything kind of starts a lot of times.
It does, doesn't it? It really does.
Really near the bone.
Yes, exactly.
And like the technique that Farnel's using, he's pinning it. He's not rubbing it.
Yeah.
We're pinning it and not gliding at all. And that's what it takes. And you can't rush melting.
No, you can't.
You don't want it to boil over and bubble up and explode,
Exactly.
do we? We want it to, because you're creating more damage that way. We're not.
Yeah, and everyone's different, aren't they? Like with some people it may be really quick, but with others it will take time. You've got to work with their body and just respect their body.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So guys, if you are in need of a treatment, please do come book with me, Farnel, or they call me Farnsy around here. Yeah. So yeah, love to meet you, love to treat you guys. Yeah. Bye.
In good hands with this bloke. Get it done. Book.